Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the only viable route is ready. Your AirPods paired to a phone or tablet, not the portal. Once done, open Bluetooth on that device and confirm AirPods connect. Then launch the PlayStation Remote Play app and sign into your PS5 account. Make sure your portal and phone/tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network or tethered via hotspot. This reduces latency and keeps audio synced. You're setting up a Bluetooth bridge for the portal's remote audio. Next, you stream from the phone. Start Remote Play and connect to your PS5 so the phone receives console audio. Once connected, force the phone's audio output to your AirPods. This routes the PS audio into the AirPods. Then power on the PS portal and use it strictly as a controller/display while it connects to the same session or network. Make sure latency settings are set to prioritize quality or performance depending on your tolerance. This minimizes audio. Finally, you mute the portal's speakers to prevent echo and confirm the AirPods are the active audio device on the phone. Test a few audio cues, dialogue, footsteps, so you can judge sync. If you notice lag, reduce remote play resolution, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or move nearer to the router. These steps cut latency. If audio cuts out, unpair and repair the AirPods, restart the Remote Play app, or reboot the phone. This fixes most Bluetooth glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.